In this short video, I just want to explain what's meant by categorical variables. We sometimes encounter these when we study statistics. We come across the term. So it's quite straightforward, but nonetheless, it's worth going across it and making sure there's clarity about its meaning. So categorical variables. Variables can be classified as either categorical, in other words, qualitative, or quantitative, in other words, numerical. So we've got this dichotomous split between qualitative, categorical, and quantitative, numerical. So qualitative variables, just another name for those would be categorical. So let's look at some examples. So for categorical variables, they take on values that are names or labels. Examples of categorical variables could be the color of a car. The color of a car could be red. So red is the categorical variable. It can't be processed more than that. It can't be added to something else, or it can't be multiplied by 2, or we can't work out the standard deviation, or we can't do anything with it. It's just the color red. But in order for us to use computers and to feed in this information, we sometimes have to label the information. So we'd say red cars will be 1. So number 1 represents red cars. We can't take an average. We can't work out the mean for it, or any statistics. It's just that's what it is. That is red. So categorical means something which can't be processed numerically. For example, the breed of a dog. A dog could be a terrier, or a greyhound, or a German shepherd, or a sheepdog, a poodle. So that's a categorical variable. It simply names the variable. So it's categorical. It can't, as I said, we can't work out averages or standard deviations, or we can't do anything with it. We can't process that information. It's just the name. It's categorical. Quantitative data, by contrast, this is numerical. And these represent measurable quantities. For example, the population of a country, or the number of cars produced in a year. We can measure these. It may be difficult. It may be difficult to work out the population of the country. We'd have to have a national census, and even then it's very problematic. But it is countable. That's the point. In principle, it is countable. We should be able to work out the precise number of people living in the country on a particular date. We should be able to work out the distribution of the population, where they live, in cities or in the town or in the countryside. We could work out the demographics of the population, the age structure, the gender structure of the population. So we can work out lots associated, and this is quantitative. We can say that 40% of the population drive a certain car, or 25% of the population wear hats on a Friday, or whatever. The point is, it's quantitative, and we can work out statistics based on it. Whereas categorical is just naming the variable, and that's all it is. I said it was a short video, and it is very short because that's all I'm going to do. I just wanted to make it clear what a categorical variable is and what a quantitative variable is, and the distinction between the two. So let's leave it at that and say thank you for watching.